Hello viewers, welcome to Audio Viz 360. Today I have this SONY WF-XB700. So the problem here in this earbuds is battery. So the case battery is also bad and the buds battery is also bad. So I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this case and these buds in this video. So alright, without wasting time, let's start the video here. So this is the bud here. So this cover, this is the top cover. This will come if we pry it out. So there will be battery. So I'm going to show the battery replacement of this earbud. So other one I'm going to change, and I will show you the battery replacement of this case here as well. So without wasting any time, let's open this. Just by prying it, it will come out. It may feel it is very easy, but it's pretty technical. You can see. So this is the inner look. This is the motherboard. Battery is behind this motherboard. So there is a tiny flux cable here, so you should be very careful while replacing the battery. We have to pry this flux cable here. You can see I have taken this out. So now very carefully we have to take this motherboard out so that we can access the battery here. So to take that out, you should not pull it. There is a lock here. You can see there is a lock here, and we have to take that lock out. So I am going to take that lock. It's a plastic molded. After that we can take out the motherboard here. Now by slowly pushing this, you can see the motherboard has come out. By prying tool I can slowly, so this way we can take this out. So this is the internal look, and you can see there is a battery here, Volta. This is very expensive battery. Model number is CP1254A3. So alright, we have to take this out, and I am going to install the lithium ion polymer battery instead of this. Both are of same battery capacity. So the battery backup of this new battery will be very good. So alright, now this is pasted here. So again it is very tricky here to take the battery out here. There is a tiny flux cable here. Make sure you are not going to break that while replacing it. So I am going to use isopropyl alcohol little bit. Just I am going to apply here, so that the glue will be weaker and the battery will come out very easily. So I am going to spray isopropyl alcohol here. That's it. This is enough. So one more thing, this battery doesn't have wires. So this battery directly touches to this point. This is the negative terminal. The side of the battery is positive, so it is touching to this flex cable. So make sure while taking out the battery, you are not going to break the flex cable here. So I am going to try prying this battery so that the battery will come out now. This is glued very hard, so it is very difficult to take. Just make sure you are not going to break the flex cable here. The battery has come out almost. So this is the battery. So there is no wires in this battery. It directly touches to the leads terminals of the motherboard and the flux cable. So we have to solder the battery here. So it is pretty delicate. This is a very tiny pin, so be careful while soldering. So if you have any doubts, if you want me to replace, just please do message on the above WhatsApp number here, so that I can replace for you. These are very expensive earphones. Take precautions before replacing. If you are very expert, or at least somewhat expert, then it is fine. You can replace it just by following this video. Otherwise, don't hesitate to send these earbuds to me, or similar models like 1000 XM3 or XM4, XM5, everything I do replacements. So if you have any inquiries, please do message on this number. So alright, it's bit tricky to replace this battery. This is Volta CP1254A3 lithium ion battery. You can see 3.7 volts, and the wattage is 0.2 watt hour battery, and Germany battery. These are very expensive batteries. So I am going to use lithium ion polymer of very high quality. So I am going to install the same size with similar capacity, so that the battery backup of these earphones will be almost equal to this battery. So I am going to show that. So this is the battery which I am going to use. You can see this is of same size. This is lithium ion polymer of very high quality. I have tested the batteries. These are very excellent quality batteries. You can see the size. It is 100% same size. So I am going to use this battery here. But this battery has terminals here, wires, lead wires, which is of positive and negative. This battery doesn't have wires directly. The body surface itself is a polarity, positive polarity and negative polarity. So this side it is negative and this side it is positive here, this side. So I'm not going to use this. So we have to solder this wire to the motherboard. The leads of the motherboard and the flex cable are very delicate, so I'm going to solder this very delicately so that it will fix and the earphone will start working. So as I said, this is the negative terminal and the positive is here in the flex cable. I'm trying to take out this flex cable here. It is pretty risky here. Don't try if you are not sure. It is pasted here. Very thin flex cable. So this is the flex cable. I have removed it because I could not show in the video. So this is the terminal here. I have to solder this battery terminal in this flex cable. So small terminal you can see in this flex cable. You should not overheat the flex cable because you may end up melting this the tiny flex cable. Then if you melt, then the earbuds will be of no use. So alright, now I am going to install this. So now I am going to apply little bit of flux to this connection point. This is the negative and this is the positive. So I am going to apply little bit of flux in this terminal here as well. So now is the critical time. I have to solder it. I have to apply little bit of lead over this over the terminals here. So just by simply touching like this, you can see lead has accumulated on the negative terminal. Now I am going to apply the lead on the flux cable positive side. You can see. So the positive terminal is also fixed here. I mean the lead is fixed in the positive terminal here as well. Now I am going to apply positive of the battery to this flex cable here. Now you can see I have installed the positive wire in the flex cable. This is the tiny flex cable and this side the negative goes to motherboard. So I am going to just solder here. You can see now the battery is installed. Negative terminal has gone to this and the positive is in the flex cable. Now it's time to just position this flex cable into the housing. Later I have to paste the battery in its position. Now it is bit difficult to show in this video, so I am going to just fix this flex cable and come back here. So now I have installed the flex cable. Battery is already installed. So I am going to apply little bit of glue here and I am going to paste this battery at the bottom side of this case here. So I have positioned this. Now battery has been placed. Now simply we have to install the motherboard here. So slowly lift this flex cable so that it goes behind. Make sure this comes here, this terminals. So alright. Now you can see motherboard is placed in its position. Now it's time to press this flex cable. You can see automatically it has turned on already. So that means it is started working. The battery replacement is successful. So now I am going to install this other part of the housing. Just to close it, there is a on off switch here. So it is, we have to make sure it is positioned properly, and there is a BT antenna here with switch. So you can see this is not removed, but when I remove the other earbud, this has come out already. You can see after replacing this motherboard, we have to install this antenna and switch here. In this case the antenna is fixed inside, so no problem for me. Just I have to close this, that's it. Make sure where is the switch, so that you can, this is the switch. So simply by positioning like this, we have to press it. That's it. You can see locked, perfectly working. So now I am going to replace the other earbuds battery. Now you can see both earbuds has been fixed properly, and these both earbuds are working perfectly. I am going to show you a quick demo soon. Before that, I want to replace the battery of this charging case, because you can see after keeping these earbuds here, this is right. So there should be light here, red light should come while charging. The charging light is not glowing here. You can see in the both earbuds the light is not glowing, because the battery of this case is also completely bad. So I am going to tear this down case, and I will change the battery of this case here as well. So I have already taken out the sticker which is applied here. Just we have to take out the two screws here. So after removing this screw, we have to open the case here and we have to pry this from this point like this. Without any marks it will come out. So this is the battery which is bad. So this is the internal look. There are 4 screws here which we have to remove now. I am going to remove that to take out the leads of the wires, battery wires. The battery is bad here. I will show the voltage of the battery here as well. So after removing the 4 screw, this part will come easily like this, you can see, but still it is connected the top here. There are 3 clips I think, so that we have to remove. You can see one I am going to remove from this side. So this is one clip, the second clip, that clip is here. So that's it, this part I have removed. Now you can see there are 2 wires here, the battery wire. So I am going to solder that out. Make sure you are going to connect in the same polarity, otherwise it will be an issue. So alright, now let me show the voltage of the battery, this existing battery. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. Now I am going to check the voltage of the battery. You can see it's 0.11 volt, 10 volt, that is almost negligible. The battery voltage is completely gone, and if we charge, this will not charge. So we have to replace the battery. Let's take out the battery and see the specification here. So this is the battery and let's see the specification of this battery. So you can see it is 300 mAh battery, 1.11 watt hour, 3.7 volts. So the battery is completely bad. So I am going to use similar battery. So this battery I am going to use. This is bit smaller. They claim here 350 mAh, but it will not come that much. But still the quality of the battery is very good, though the capacity is very less. So I am going to use 2 batteries here. I am going to connect this parallelly, so that we will get 3.7 volts and we will get the 350 mAh capacity here as well. I am considering these 2 batteries will be 350 to 400 mAh. So definitely this will be of very good quality. It will give very good quality backup, and the battery itself is of very good quality. So alright, so let me connect these 2 batteries to this housing, to this case. So now I have connected parallelly these batteries. So I am going to place this battery on top of each other. So I am going to use T7000 here. So this glue is enough. So simply by keeping like this on top of each other, this will fix. So I am going to keep this for some time. Before that I am going to install this battery to the main motherboard. So please be careful while installing the battery. Check the polarity here, which one goes to negative and which one goes to positive, because it is written here battery minus and battery plus. I may not show you here. Please be careful. So let me install these 2 terminals and let me come back. So now battery terminal is installed perfectly. The case might be started working already. So now it's time to close this housing here, this housing. So this is just clip, just we have to keep and press here like this. You can see. That's it. Now it's time to place the battery here. So this is the place. The glue is there already. So battery is placed now. Now let this get dry. Placed perfectly, no problem. Now I am going to simply install this, because the glue is already applied. Let me put these 4 screws. Alright, now it's time to put the housing back to its place. You can see now it is perfect. Now let me check the charging functionality of this case. So I am going to use this power bank here. So once I connect, it should start charging. Yes, you can see this has started charging now. Battery voltage might be less, so we have to charge this fully, but still we can test here. So I am going to take this out. The case is charging perfectly. Now if we place this earbuds, it will glow red light here. This red light should glow. So I can just keeping this, you can see, yes, it has started red light here. You can see it is glowing now. So the other side also, you can see both sides it is glowing. That means the earbuds are charging. This red light is blinking because of the low battery of the case. We have to charge this case. So alright, so this is the battery replacement of SONY WF-XB700. Both buds battery has been replaced and the charging case battery has been replaced. If you have any queries like this, if you want me to replace the batteries of this model or maybe other models like SONY WF-XM1000 is there, XM3 is there, sorry, 1000 XM3 is there, 1000 XM4 is there, 1000 XM5 is there, this 700 is there. So if you want me to replace, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. I will replace on behalf of you. So I have already uploaded so many videos of different models. Please go through the channel as well, Audioviz 360, and if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. I have uploaded so many videos of replacing batteries like this Sony, JBL, Jabra, other models. There are Bluetooth speakers of different brands. I have replaced batteries of those Bluetooth speakers and earbuds. So if you have any queries, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. You can send it to me here. I am from Bangalore. So I will replace the batteries and I can send you back to I can send it back to you. There are so many already subscribers sending this type of earbuds to me. I am replacing the batteries for all of them, but I could not record the videos of all the customers because there are so many viewers and subscribers who are sending this to me. Occasionally I am recording the videos of the subscribers. In future, if I get this type of earbuds, I will record again maybe of the subscribers, so that you may get the confidence and you can send it to me so that I can replace the batteries for you. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Audioviz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. So if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.